guys, so I just got out of work, so I'm looking a little, but I'm in Burlington, so I wanted to try on some spring items and then do like in the fitting room kind of a thing. This is what I'm wearing, just this and some slacks and some slip-ons. So this is what I'm going to try on. So this is the first top, and it's just the sleeveless. It's got this mesh, some pearls. It's in this baby blue color, and that's the back. So I was gonna get the 2X, but the 2X looked a little big. I think the 1X is fine. I think this is gonna look nice with like some white jeans or even like white dress pants and a nice little cardigan. Now going into spring, so I got this color too. This is like a dusty purpley kind of color, except this part here. I actually think I like this one better. It's a little more, it's got a little more going on here, like a nice gold detail. It's a color I don't already have, so that's how this one looks. And I think I like this one better than this one. This one has this nice detail here, but I don't know, I kind of like this better. So this is the top. It's got these gold bars, and the sleeves are like, I don't know what you call that. I think this will look better with like jeans, maybe some white jeans. I don't feel like this breathes, so I don't know if this is one of those materials that's going to be super hot. And it isn't like soft, it's like a little scratchy. I'm going to try these jeans on to see how they look. So these are the jeans. They're actually on clearance for $9.99. They're in a 16. That's how the back looks. So they're actually pretty comfortable. They're stretch and they're already cuffed. This is that top. So I think this might be a cute little weekend wear. Like if you want to be casual but still put together on the weekend. I don't know how I feel about these. So they don't have anything here, but they have like that faded look here. But they are still comfortable though. Let me try these on. So I didn't try these on because these are pleated and I don't like anything pleated, but I did try on this like vest kind of a thing, which I think would look nice with a button down white shirt and my dress pants for work, and it's got pockets, so I think this I'm gonna take. That's how that looks. And so everything was in a 1X. This is in a 16. This is on clearance for $9.99, and then the top is $11.99. So I am gonna get these two. These I'm not gonna get, but I am gonna get this. So this is $12.99, and it's also in a 1X. So I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna walk around, see what I can see as far as makeup. Hey guys, so today is a few days after, but I wanted to check TJ Maxx. I wasn't too crazy about the stuff that I picked up at Burlington, and there's a Home Goods, there's that TJ Maxx. And that's the TJ Maxx that I tell you guys is just horrible. But I kind of feel like now that the weather is changing, the stores are getting more spring items. I just want to see what they have, try on a couple of things. So hopefully they have something cute that I can try on and show you guys. So let's go.